Jay of the Jays Diecast Creations YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, here's the box of stuff that I sent to him. And here's what he did with it. I never thought I'd say this, but this is the crappiest build I've ever seen. To quote Jay, it's basically a squad of turd smugglers. They have a turd drilling rig, a trailer for turd storage, and a turd runner with mini tanks to hold turds because they're selling turds as an alternative fuel source in the wastelands. I'm at a loss for words. I love the creativity. This peek inside Jay's mind is absolutely scary. He used red lines. I appreciate that. This is fantastic, Jay. Yeah. I can tell you had fun with it. I can't wait to see the video. I had a lot of fun looking at these pictures. Everybody check out Jay's YouTube channel and his video of the build. Thanks to my Patreon members for their support and helping these all be possible. Thanks for participating, Jay. Thanks to all of you for watching these videos. I hope you're having as much fun with these as I am. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.